Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will show you how to turn off auto sleep on Mac. For that, first of all, you have to go to the Apple icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. Now, from the drop down, select System Preferences. Once your System Preferences is opened, there you will see Battery option. Click on it. Then on the left nav bar, you will see Battery option again. Go through it. Then here you will see Turn Display Off After option and a slider. If you slide this slider to the neighbor, then your auto sleep will be turned off. So simply drag the slider to the right. Here you can see a warning saying your Mac may shorten its life when you never let your display sleep. If you still want to continue, then that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.